Do you know these kitchen words in English? Learn 40 words fast. Let's start. Blender. Blender. For smoothies. Spatula. Spatula. Flip eggs. Whisk. Whisk. Mix batter. Ladle. Ladle. Serve soup. Colander. Colander. Drain pasta. Peeler. Peeler. Peel potato. Grater. Grater. Grate cheese. Tongs. Tongs. Grab food. Kettle. Kettle. Boil water. Toaster. Toaster. Toast bread. Chicken. Chicken. Cook meat. Fish. Fish. Seafood dish. Rice. Rice. Main food. Cheese. Cheese. Dairy product. Butter. Butter. For cooking. Egg. Egg. For breakfast. Bread. Bread. Basic food. Knife. Knife. Cut food. Fork. Fork. Eat food. Spoon. Spoon. Eat soup. Plate. Plate. Serve food. Bowl. Bowl. Hold soup. Cup. Cup. Drink tea. Pan. Pan. Fry food. Pot. Pot. Boil food. Stove. Stove. Cook food. Fridge. Fridge. Keep cold. Microwave. Microwave. Heat food. Oven. Oven. Bake food. Sink. Sink. Wash dishes. Apple. Apple. Healthy fruit. Banana. Banana. Yellow fruit. Milk. Milk. Dairy drink. Salt. Salt. For taste. Sugar. Sugar. For tea. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. For bottles. Sieve. Sieve. Sift flour. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Roll dough. Can opener. Can opener. Open cans. Water. Water. Drink daily. You learned 40 words. Practice and subscribe.